G'day guys, it's Vulcan Camman here. So today I'm going to do my third monthly compilation of crazy stuff that's happened in the last little while. So I actually had something crazy happen today that I'll play first. Yeah, basically I was lane filtering and a couple of cars got a bit too close to me and had a little bit of an altercation there, but luckily it wasn't anything too crazy. I didn't get my face punched in or anything like that, so anyway, so I'll play that clip first for you, and I'll also play the other clips that I have in store. Again, let me know which one's your favorite, and if you want to use it in your compilation, let me know. And yeah, enjoy. Sorry. Motherfucker. Whatever, mate.
A few moments later.
What do you think you're doing?
What?
You're running into the car trying to push your way through there.
I'm lane filtering.
Hey?
I'm lane filtering.
You're lane filtering.
Yeah, it's legal.
Not cars. That's got nothing to do with lane filtering. You bend the bloody mirror there, you know. Is that what lane filtering is all about?
Mate, I apologise for that. I seriously do.
Well,
I deeply do.
more careful in future. Eh?
Yeah, I apologise for that. I really do. But lane filtering is legal. My bad. Sorry, horsey. Whoops. Nice job, mate. Why did the ducks cross the road? Now that is cute. Oh shit. Fucking hell. I think that's the first time I've scraped my foot peg on the road. Shit. Hey Paul. Oh, mate. I realised the doors. Going on the highway. We'll pull up next to him and let him know that his door's open. Oh no, he's gone that way. Okay. Oh dear. Anyway, that's it for this month's compilation. Until next time, ride safe and I'll catch you later. Cheers.